First at 5, a Bakersfield police officer involved in a deadly crash now faces felony criminal charges, but some experts believe his charges aren't strict enough. Thanks for joining us. I'm Rochelle Murcia.
And I'm Michael Patterson. The Kern County District Attorney's Office filing a felony charge against an officer accused of causing a deadly crash back in January. But lawyers representing the family in the civil suit say the charges don't go far enough. Eyewitness
News reporter Leslie Vai is live outside BPD headquarters in downtown Bakersfield. Has more on this new development. Leslie.
Yes, Michael, Rochelle. Now, one of the biggest details in this case is that the officer suspected of driving that patrol vehicle was driving over 100 miles per hour without sirens and failed to stop at a stop sign intersection. Now, that is why it came to as a surprise to some as to why he's only being charged with vehicular manslaughter.
We're left wondering if the fact that Robles is a police officer had anything to do with the DA's decision.
On Monday, the Kern County District Attorney's Office announced it filed a lawsuit against Bakersfield police officer Ricardo Robles, the alleged driver involved in a deadly crash on January 19th. Robles, still employed by BPD but placed on administrative leave, now faces 1 count of vehicular manslaughter with gross negligence, 2 counts of assault with deadly weapon, and 1 count of reckless driving on highway. Court document obtained by Eyewitness News reveal an officer admitted Robles was the driver of the patrol car with passenger officer Trayvon Cobbins. Robles was driving over 100 miles per hour without emergency lights but responded to a pursuit of a stolen truck. He failed to slow down at a stop sign, and at about 70 miles per hour, the patrol vehicle hit another car. The driver of that car, Mario Lares, was killed while his passenger Maria Hernandez was severely injured. Daniel Rodriguez is representing the Hernandez family in a civil lawsuit against the city and Officer Robles. He says he's disappointed in the felony charges filed, and he believes that instead of vehicular manslaughter, it should have been second-degree murder charges.
Because after all, the DA's office works side by side, day in and day out, with the Bakersfield Police Department.
With the DA's felony charges, Robles could face 2 to 6 years in prison. Versus second-degree murder, it would be 15 years to life. Tray Gober, an injury attorney, says with public pressure, prosecutors will often overcharge in a case, but believes this isn't one of those cases.
The prosecutor has to have a crime where the mens rea, what's going on in the defendant's mind, matches the charges.
Gober says vehicular manslaughter is closer to a negligence charge, which isn't classified as intentional.
Robles has yet to be arrested, but when he is, his arraignment date will be set. In downtown Bakersfield, Leslie Vai, Eyewitness News.